Yeah. First time all of them are out of the basket. Kitties. Look at Bear. He's so fat, just like a little polar bear.
He's got his claws extended out, man.
Yeah, he does.
Look at him. Look at him.
He's got him. Listen to him. Kitty Pie's the one that jumped on the screen. And Spunky just used the potty pan. You're just adorable. Little sugar. Yes, you're the sweetest little thing we've ever seen. Cute, and you're so pretty, and you're always entertained. Tara's gonna potty. Yeah, she's gonna potty. She says, I think I gotta do it. Tigger's talking to him. Okay. She's trying to figure out what's... Okay, she's gonna do her first potty. She said, I think this is what you do. She said, I think this is how you do it. It's going to come out all by itself. Mama's not going to lick it out. Oh, that's so cute. She said, do I sit all the way down on it? She said, I'm not sure what to do about this. She said, I think I do something like this. I saw Mom do it. But then when does it come out? She said, when do I make it come out? Yeah, she's trying to figure. Now she's covering it up. She said, I think I did it. She did it. Oh, she did it. Oh, look. And what do you think you're doing? Little Spunky. Oh, my. You better think twice. You better not do it. He's gonna do it. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, he jumped down. Yeah, he didn't want to miss out. Okay. Everybody's here. Life is good.